Today we're talking about HeyGen, a quick, simple explanation of what it is, what it does, who uses it, and the pricing. Just a casual breakdown, nothing complicate. What HeyGen is. HeyGen is an AI video creation tool that lets you create professional videos using AI avatars, AI voice cloning, and language translation. The idea is simple. You type or upload a script right, HeyGen turns it into a full video with a realistic presenter. It's used by businesses, YouTubers, educators, marketers, agencies, people who need videos fast. How HeyGen works. Here's the simple flow. Choose an AI avatar. These are digital characters that act as video presenters. Type your script or upload text. Select language, voice style, and tone. HeyGen generates the video. You can edit, trim, add subtitles, change background, etc. Export your video in HD. The best part is you don't need a camera, microphone, or studio. Everything is generated. AI features. AI avatars, lifelike digital presenters. Voice cloning, create your own digital voice. Lip sync translation, convert your video to any language while matching lip movement. Script assist, AI can write your script. Green screen removal. Video to video, replace a real presenter with an avatar. Multilingual audio generation. This is why businesses love HeyGen. It saves time and looks professional. Popular use cases. People use HeyGen for YouTube videos, explainer videos, social media content, product showcases, training videos, corporate presentations, ads, tutorials, turning text content into videos. Beginners can produce high-quality videos without experience. Why people like HeyGen? Simple reasons. One of the best avatar video qualities. Very easy to use. Fast rendering. Many avatars plus voice options. No need for camera or editing skills. Good for businesses and solo creators. It basically removes 70% of video production work. Pricing. HeyGen has a free plan with limited credits, monthly plans for creators, business plans for teams, extra credits if you need more generation time. Pricing changes often, so the latest plans are always on their website. Who should use HeyGen? Best for content creators, YouTubers, teachers and coaches, businesses making training videos, freelancers, agencies, anyone who wants fast AI videos without equipment. If you don't want to show your face or don't have filming gear, HeyGen is perfect. Rewards section. On our website, we have a rewards section where users can sign up using email OTP and complete simple surveys through our trusted partners. For every survey you complete, you also get a mystery box as a bonus. So it's an easy way to earn coins and redeem them for PayPal gift cards. This helps people who want to try premium AI tools like HeyGen, but don't want to spend money up front. If you want to explore more tools or check our rewards section, you can find everything on our website. Link is in the description. See you in the next video.